Hello students, we have to eat different kinds of food every day. You know what happens to food after eating it? Let's see what happens to the food we eat. Today we are going to study about human digestive system. Now we are going to study about digestive system in humans. Digestion is a process in which complex food materials is broken down into simpler substances. The digestion of food in human takes place in the alimentary canal, which is a long tube extending from the mouth to the anus. There are different parts are present: buccal cavity, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. There are two glands are present. There are liver and pancreas. The food is taken through the mouth. It is chewed and mixed with saliva in the buccal cavity. Saliva is a digestive juice secreted by the salivary gland. The chewed food enters into the food pipe or esophagus and is then slowly pushed into a bag-like structure called stomach. The food is turned in the stomach to further break it down. The stomach also secretes mucus, digestive juice and hydrochloric acid. The hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria in the food and makes the food acidic. The food then goes into the highly coiled tube called small intestine. The small intestine receives secretion from the liver and pancreas. The liver secretes bile juice while the pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. The walls of the small intestine also secrete juices which helps in further digestion of food. The inner surface of the small intestine has finger-like projection called villi. Villi have more blood vessels. It helps to absorption of nutrients. Digested food have nutrients, hence they are absorbed, and undigested food is passed into the large intestine. It is wider than the small intestine. The excess of water and salts are absorbed in the large intestine. Undigested waste is passed out of the body through the anus. Let's study what is digestion. It is the process in which breakdown of complex materials into simple substances. There are many parts are involved. First one is mouth and esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. The first one is mouth. It helps to chewing and biting of food materials. That is, teeth helps to chewing and biting of the food materials. Next one is esophagus. It's a long pipe between mouth and stomach. Food moves through in peristalsis process. Next one is stomach. It is a bag-like structure. It secretes digestive juice, hydrochloric acid and mucus. These are helps in digestion. Next one is small intestine. It is a coiled long tube. It contains finger-like projections called villi. It helps to absorption of nutrients like glucose, fatty acid, and amino acids. Next one is large intestine. It's a wider than small intestine. Undigested food pass through large intestine. It helps to absorption of water and salts. Last one is anus. It is the last part of the digestive system. Undigested food waste is passed through the anus. Thank you for watching.